When you want to access your TikTok ads account or your TikTok business center and you see this particular interface like this, that is because TikTok is carrying out a maintenance or update on their ads manager dashboard, and that is what is resulting to this. But there are two ways you can access your ads manager and your business center, which I will show you in this video. So ensure you watch to the end. The first method is by refreshing your page. Look at what I will do now. Come over here, you see this refresh button. Click on refresh. If you click the first time and it did not come up, refresh again the second time. You see, I just refreshed the second time and it came up. This is the business center for this account and these are the ads managers. That is the first method. The second method is to open a new tab and type business.tiktok.com. business.tiktok.com. Click on enter. It will open like this. Welcome to TikTok Business Center. Because you have logged in your account, at the right hand side here, you will see go to business center right here. So click on this go to business center button and your business center will load up just like this. Go ahead and click on your business center. Your business center will open like this. Now, this is how you will access your ads manager account and run your TikTok ads. Okay, just scroll down at this left hand side right here. Scroll down like this. You will see accounts here. Click on accounts. You will see your ads manager right here. This is the advertiser account. It's the same thing as ads manager. There is a ruler down here. Look at this ruler down. Drag this ruler to the right hand side. Drag it. Just click your mouse on it. Drag it to the right hand side. You will see go to ads manager right here. Click on this button. Go to ads manager and your TikTok ads manager will load quickly like this. Then go to campaigns here. Just click on campaigns. Now you can click on this create button and you go ahead to set up your TikTok ad or whatever you want to do at the ads manager or business center. It's just that easy. Try out any of these two methods and I will like to know, comment below which of these methods work out for you.